In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills for walking that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rhythm Fun Walking Pad. The Rhythm Fun Under Desk Treadmill is a portable and compact fitness solution designed for adults. With a wide 18 running belt, it provides a safe and spacious area for walking or running at speeds up to 3.7 miles per hour. The treadmill is designed for home or office use with its slim profile, lightweight build, and easy storage capabilities. Featuring a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, shock absorption technology, and noise reduction design, it offers a quiet and comfortable workout experience. Users can control the treadmill using a remote control or a smart workout API, which allows for monitoring and tracking of workout metrics. With no assembly required, users can start using the treadmill straight out of the box. Number 2. EXERPEUTIC TF2000. The EXERPEUTIC treadmill is designed for individuals in recovery and seniors for home use, with a focus on safety and ease of use. It features a treadmill belt size of 50 LX16W and can support users up to 300 pounds. The treadmill includes 49 full-length walking assistant handrails with foam padding for added safety during fitness walking. With a speed range starting at 0.2 miles per hour and adjusting in increments of 1/10 mph up to a maximum of 5 miles per hour, users can gradually increase their pace. The treadmill also includes 10 shock-absorbing deck cushions, with extra reinforcement to reduce joint impact while walking. A backlit LCD display window provides information on elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, speed, and pulse. Additionally, the treadmill features a low deck height of 5 for easy step-up and includes 2 accessory holders for convenience. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness T7643. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7643 heavy-duty folding walking treadmill is designed for performance and convenience. Made of alloy steel, this treadmill features a large walking surface and handrails, making it suitable for adults looking to burn big calories through running or walking. With a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 350 pounds, this treadmill offers a shock-absorbent and spacious workout area. Its big buttons, quick access buttons, and sturdy handrails provide ease of use and confidence while walking or running. Additionally, it includes features such as cup holders, an integrated tablet holder, and an emergency stop clip for added convenience and safety. The backlit multi-display console allows users to easily track their progress, displaying calories burned, speed, and distance. When not in use, the treadmill can be easily folded and moved using the transportation wheels. Overall, the SFT 7643 treadmill offers a robust and user-friendly option for at-home workouts. Dimensions: 60.5 LX32, WX 52.4, H, unfolded, 39.75, LX 32, WX 55, H, folded. Weight, 143 pounds. Number 4. SereneLife Folding Treadmill. The SereneLife treadmill in black, made of aluminum, offers a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and a manual incline feature. With dimensions of 50.79, DX 24.02, WX 49.22, H, and weighing 66.5 pounds, it caters to a unisex audience with a maximum horsepower of 1. The treadmill includes an LCD display for tracking runtime, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. It also features hand grip sensors for BPM pulse monitoring and supports connectivity with the FitShow app via Bluetooth. The compact design, with foldable dimensions of 25.2, LX24, WX 49.2, H, makes it suitable for small spaces. Additionally, it offers 3 levels of inclination, safety features like an emergency power-off function, and amenities such as a book or magazine tray and a cup holder, making it a versatile home gym equipment for walking and jogging. Number 5. OVICX Q2S Folding Portable Treadmill. The OVICX 9 miles per hour new fitness treadmill is a sleek and innovative piece of exercise equipment designed for indoor use, targeting adults looking to stay fit at home. Made of durable stainless steel, this treadmill boasts a wide 17x50s running belt for a comfortable and safe running experience. One of its unique features is the intelligent speed reduction function, allowing users to easily slow down the treadmill when feeling fatigued. The silkworm shock absorption technology ensures a smooth and injury-free workout by mimicking the cushioning of professional running shoes. Additionally, users can connect to the treadmill via Bluetooth app for personalized data tracking and sharing. Its portable and foldable design, along with built-in transport wheels, make it convenient to store and move around, requiring no installation for immediate use.